Have you ever seen is an image with a glass masking like this? You have seen an image with a glass mask like this. Most of you will think it is only Photoshop that can do this glass masking. But I'm telling you that Pixellab can do this glass masking. Let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you are just watching for the first time. So we will be needing an app for this, which is Snapseed. So go to your Play Store, download Snapseed. So now, before we continue, the first thing we're going to be doing, open our Pixellab. And we open our Pixellab, I delete the rubbish. So after I delete it, I import the image I want to use as a background, and this is the image. You see the image? I'll change it to 1 by 1 square. So after that, I will enlarge it to fill the space. So after that, I will lock it. I lock the background. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to export this image. I'm going to save as image. Save to gallery. So after I've exported the image, I will now go to Snapseed. I will go to Snapseed. I will add photo. The photo I export. This is the photo I export. Then you go to click on tools under Snapseed, and you go to lens blur. Yeah, you just decrease the lens blur. After that, you increase the blur strength. Yeah, you increase the blur strength and click OK. Then you export it. You save. After you save it, you go to Pixellab. You create your rectangle. I create a rectangle, so I place it here. This is where I want it to be. So like a menu. So I create it here. After I create it there, I give it radius, a little bit of radius. Then I give it stroke. I give the stroke white stroke, and I increase that one to 3. So then I click OK. Then I go to texture, and I add texture file. This one that I save, the one I save from PixArt, I will click it and I click done. So this is the space of where I added this is where I put my rectangle. I mask where I put my rectangle and I click OK. So you see by default it's not perfect. When you look at it here, is not perfect. So the only thing I can do there is to go to the same texture and I will increase the scale. Perfect. So I click OK and I just add a little touch of professionalism to make sure it's aligned with the background. So that is how I had that. And the next thing, I'm going to be adding stroke, adding stroke to it, and let's change the stroke to 4 or 3. So after that, if you want to make it to look like 3D, I can now go to inner shadow, enable inner shadow, and you have blur radius, make it blur. Okay, then you can give the inner shadow white, you can leave it black, the rest is white. Wow, white is very perfect. So let's increase the blur of white. Okay, and let's see what we do. So this is what we get. You see, that is how to create a glass masking on Pixellab. If this busts your Google, if this busts your brain, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And my students, hey, you guys, do your assignment, do the same thing, screenshots, send to my WhatsApp. If you are not in our WhatsApp group, it is fine. You can just do it on your own. But if you wish to join our WhatsApp group, you can check under the description. You are going to see our link to our WhatsApp. You are welcome to our family. So have a wonderful time. You are going to see in the next one.